Hi everyone, today we have this platform called MakeForms, and this is the best secure AI online form builder. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto this platform. Now you know how important forms are to collect different types of information. Now this website offers wide range of features and options to totally customize and control your form according to your needs and how you want. You have your build in here. You can simply create your form, you can preview it, you can publish it. You have your designs, so here you will be able to find different type of designings that you want to do. You can simply edit it, the colors and so on and so forth. All of these CSS settings. You have your sources, and in the sources you need to first publish your form. We have results, integrations, so it also offers a wide range of integrations that can help you to even create your form more effective and powerful. You have your Zapier integration for automation. You have let's say Bravo and Salesforce and Notion as well, so you know how nice these integrations could be, and even if they are used in your forms, they will be providing even more control. So on the left side you can see your elements for your forms, like for example your name. You can simply click on them to add it. Let's say you want to add an address, you can click on it, it will be added automatically, so they will be entering all this information in here. Do you know how the form looks? You can add video, so if you want to incorporate any type of video, you can do that as well. Let's say I want to add in here any type of link or URL. On the left side of your screen you can see we have this option of URL. Click on that and it will be added in here. Let's say you want to move it to the top, click on this arrow key, click on again, and then again it will be on top, and there they can enter any kind of URL, or if you want to add any text or let's say anything else on the top, you can do that as well. So a text area maybe, so they can enter their full name or anything related to that, and you can see our text area, full name. You can move that to the top. If you simply publish it and preview it, you will be able to see how it is going to be looking. So let's just give it a try in the front end section. So currently we are on the desktop mode, and you can see how nice this looks. So you can simply enter details in here and click on submit, and it will be available on the phone. It is going to be looking something like this. Now adding on to this platform, I have some really positive reviews about this platform, and all are going to be 5 stars. So you can see MakeForms, the best form builder for businesses of all sizes. It is not just a form generator, robust and functional, GDPR compliant, and you can see how amazing and powerful these feedbacks are. So to give it a try, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So that is going to be super awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.